In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop automatic payments on Bank of America. If you're looking to regain control over your finances by managing your recurring transactions, you're definitely in the right place. We're going to walk through this process in a clear and straightforward manner, ensuring you can easily navigate the Bank of America app to achieve your goal. First, you'll want to begin by logging into the Bank of America mobile banking app. This is a straightforward process, but for those of you who might be new, open up the app on your device, then go ahead and sign in using your online ID and passcode. Make sure that these details are handy and accurate to avoid any login issues. Once you're successfully logged in, your next move is to head over to the Bill Pay or Payments section of the app. Tap on Pay and Transfer, and you'll then see options for Bill Pay for scheduled payments or simply payments. Depending on what you're aiming to manage, select the appropriate option. Now, under the Bill Pay section, you should see a list of all your recurring payees. Take a moment to find the merchant or company name associated with the automatic payment you intend to stop. Remember, having a clear idea of which payments you're targeting will make this process much smoother. With the correct merchant selected, you'll need to manage the autopay settings. Tap on Autopay Settings or Manage Autopay, which is usually an easy to find option once you've selected your merchant. Within these settings, you will now see the option to either cancel autopay or stop automatic payment. Select the option to cancel, then confirm your action when prompted. This step might seem straightforward, but ensuring you confirm means your cancellation goes through without any issues. After canceling, it's time to verify that the cancellation has been successfully processed. You should receive an on-screen confirmation message indicating your autopay has been halted. Additionally, you might receive an email confirmation as well. It's always good practice to keep these confirmations for your records in case you need to reference them later. This means the merchant should no longer auto-withdraw funds from your account. As an optional yet recommended step, it's wise to contact the merchant directly. By doing this, you can ensure they are fully aware of your cancellation, minimizing the chances of future unauthorized charges or late fees cropping up. A direct line of communication with your merchant can be invaluable in confirming your payment preferences have been updated on their end. And there you have it. Those steps should effectively help you stop automatic payments on your Bank of America account. By taking these actions, you're empowering yourself to have better control over your personal finances. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more easy to follow guides just like this one.